This video I will explain what is RAG in AI. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. RAG is a method that helps an AI model to find information from external sources before creating an answer. In simple words, RAG allows AI to search for relevant information first and then use that information to generate a better response. Without RAG, you ask a question to AI. AI answers based only on the knowledge learned during the training. With RAG, you ask question to AI. AI search for the relevant information, which is called retrieval, and use that information to generate an answer, which is called generation. In this case, AI create a better response using the retrieved information. Now we will see why RAG was created. AI models are trained using large amounts of data. However, training data has some limitations. Training data may become outdated. Training data may not contain specific company information. Training data may miss newly created documents. Training data cannot include every piece of information in the world. RAG helps to solve these problems. Instead of relying only on stored knowledge, AI can retrieve relevant information when needed. Now we will see the real life example. Imagine you ask a student, what is the attendance policy of our company? The student may not remember the exact policy. Instead of guessing, the student opens the company handbook, finds the policy, reads the relevant section, and then answers. That is similar to how RAG works. The student represents the AI model. The handbook represents the knowledge source. Reading the handbook before answering represents retrieval. Giving the final answer represents generation. Now we will see how does RAG works. Step 1. Receive a question. You ask a question. For example, what is the leave policy for employees? Step 2. Retrieve information. AI searches a knowledge source like documents, PDF, company manuals, databases, and websites. The system finds information related to your question. This process is called retrieval. Step 3. Generate an answer. The AI reads the retrieved information, then the AI creates a response using that information. This process is called generation. The combination of retrieval and generation creates RAG. Now we will see another simple example. Imagine you visit a library. You ask the librarian, tell me about solar energy. The librarian does not memorize every book. Instead, the librarian finds the most relevant books first. Then the librarian explains the topic using the information from those books. RAG works in a similar way. The library is the knowledge base. Finding the book is retrieval. Explaining the topic is generation. What is a knowledge base? A knowledge base is a collection of information that AI can search. For example, company documents, product manuals, research papers, customer support articles, and internal business data. When someone asks a question, AI searches this knowledge base and finds useful information. What are the benefits of RAG? First one, more accurate answers. AI uses relevant information instead of relying only on memory. This often improves answer quality. Second one, access to latest information. New documents can be added to the knowledge base. AI can use those documents without retraining the entire model. Third one, better company specific answers. Businesses can connect AI to the internal documents. Employees can then ask questions about company policies, products, or processes. Fourth one, reduced guessing. Sometimes AI may create incorrect information when no reliable data is available. RAG helps to reduce such situations by providing supporting information. Where RAG is used? RAG is commonly used in AI chatbots, customer support systems, company knowledge assistants, document search systems, healthcare information systems, and legal document search tools. Now we will see the difference between normal AI and RAG-based AI. Normal AI uses knowledge learned during training. Normal AI may not know recent information. Normal AI may struggle with private company data. RAG-based AI searches for information first. RAG-based AI uses current documents and knowledge sources. RAG-based AI can answer questions using company-specific information. Now we will see the summary. RAG is a technique that helps AI to find information before answering a question. You can think of RAG as a student who first checks a book, document, or knowledge base and then gives an answer. Because of this approach, AI can provide more accurate, relevant, and up to date responses.